Hi, I'm Nancy from Cooking Nancy's channel. Very easy. You see what I've done? I put some olive oil, pure olive oil, a little bit in the pan, and I put in ginger and garlic paste and 1 onion, plus this is barbecue pork. Any leftover barbecue pork, you can do this. A little bit of water. And what I'm going to do is add in my zucchinis, and I've got some shallots, fresh shallots as well in there. Stir for a few minutes, and then I'm going to add in my prawns. But before that, I can make it even more tasty by adding oyster sauce. That's enough. That's a good quantity of oyster sauce. So this is a oyster sauce stir fry. If you are vegetarian, please keep everything vegetarian. This one here is meat and seafood. Okay, meat and seafood. This will only take like 3 minutes to cook. When everything turns pink, it's ready. First, I want to make this come to a boil. Please enjoy yours. Please subscribe to my cooking video and like it. If you want it hot, you can add some black pepper. Alright, black pepper. You can crush some and add it in, or you have ready ones, or I have some ready white pepper. You can also add white pepper if you like. See, that'll do. It's come to a big boil. I can add my prawns now. And you have fresh chili, you can add in fresh chili. Please subscribe to my cooking video and like it. One more gravy, just a touch of, you can use hot water or stock, or a little bit just to drizzle in and make it come to a boil again. Okay, so you see it's turning pink. Once the prawns are pink, means it's cooked. The tails, oh, you see the tails turn pink. That's how you judge. Don't overcook the prawns because it will be very tough. Please subscribe to my cooking video and like it, and taste your food before you dish it out. Thank you. Please subscribe and share. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And please say something constructive and not destructive comments. I really appreciate that. It's a waste of my time, you know. Thank you. Bye.